Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Orcatorch D570 GL torch. So this is basically an underwater torch with 1,000 lumen beam inside of it. So it's a pretty decent torch, but it also has a built-in laser pointer. So that's very useful for basically drawing your buddy's attention and pointing something out in the water without having to get too close to it and physically point at something. Because if something's dangerous, or if it's venomous, or if it's kind of in the coral, there's too much sort of current, you're going to risk bumping into something. It makes it a lot easier to be able to point something out from a distance without sort of interacting with the thing that you're trying to point out. So single button on it, and if you just press that button, you get a little laser pointer. So this is a very useful, because it's green, it's a very effective sort of way at pointing something out. So I'll try and do it on something dark as well, so maybe you can see it. Very obvious when, especially on a night dive, obviously, trying to sort of point something out. A very useful little gadget, and because it's focusing all that light, it penetrates through water very, very effectively. So it goes up to about 1,000 meters, they say, through water. But as I said, it's also a torch. So this is a 1,000 lumen torch, and that focuses it into a tight sort of 8-degree beam. And with the built-in, sorry, not the built-in, but with the battery inside of it, it comes as standard with an 18650 battery. So that's a rechargeable battery. With that big battery inside of it, that can burn up to about, I think it's just under 2 hours. So you get a fairly decent burn time on a pretty small torch as well. So when you activate the torch, you can also activate the laser pointer. You probably can't quite see it on the camera. When you're actually diving, it's really obvious that you have a laser pointer in it as well. But of course, you can just turn off the light and then sort of turn on that laser pointer. So a very smart little gadget. It's useful to draw your buddy's attention and point something out in the water without sort of interacting. Obviously, don't shine it in eyes, because it is a laser. It's going to sort of hurt fish and your buddy's eyes if you shine it in their eyes. But to draw your buddy's attention to something, very, very easy and very intuitive as well, in a pretty small and neat little package. This is all anodized aluminium, so it's pretty lightweight as well, so very easy to travel with. And that sort of O-ring seal on the inside means it's waterproof down to about 150 meters. So you can take it with you wherever you want. You've got an attachment loop at the bottom of the torch, so you can attach a clip or a hand lanyard onto that, stow it away in your pocket until you need it. And with a single button operation, it's actually really easy to get used to. And yeah, you can use it as a torch or a laser pointer or both together. Very smart little gadget. This is the Orcatorch D570 underwater laser light. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.